Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another truck we're getting ready to put on a lot. I'd like to share this with you. Now this is a 2016 Ford F-350. It does have the 6.7 liter turbocharged diesel engine, a powerstroke engine in it. It is an automatic long bed on this truck. So let's go ahead and walk around and I'll show you the inside here in a moment. Now, it looks like it's black, but it's actually a dark green. So it's overcast today, as you can see up here, but when the sun hits it, you're going to see a greenish tint come out. But man, just has beautiful rims on this truck and good tread on the tires. But here, let me go in. I'll show you the 6.7, the powerstroke diesel on this. You got the deep tinted windows on it. Walk around here, show you the back, and it does have a bed liner in it. Show you that right there. So we'll go ahead and do a continuation on the driver's side. Try to take a little bit of time and show this to you. Now it does have a couple scratches along the doors, nothing major. And it does have some chipping appears on the lower part of the door. Wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, here you have a light gray cloth interior, headliner, and your door panel. Now, if I did not mention, this is, as far as a trim package, this is the XL. So you're not going to have a lot of options. Like, there's no power windows. You've got manual crank on your windows. The same thing with your locks, but it keeps the price at a lower price point also. And there is the floor shifter for your four-wheel drive. So let's go ahead and climb up in here. Okay guys, here it is on the interior. While this is still lit up, you can see the mileage on this is 180,641 miles. You do have cruise control with steering wheel control, or cruise control with steering wheel controls here on the left side of your wheel. So pan on over here, show you your command center. It does have a CD player right here, and scroll down to your climate control. You have a couple cup holders here, storage compartment. And looking into the back seat area, there is a lot of leg room back here. So that's it, guys. That is our 2016 Ford F-350, 6.7 liter turbocharged powerstroke. So if you have any questions, just feel free to touch base with us. Get you up here. Love to have you take this thing out for a test drive. And we've got a lot of lenders that's eager to lend money on this. So have a great day.